Is a loss the biggest fear in a negotiation?
That's a very good question. Yes. And that loss can be saving face, or loss of power, or helplessness, or the need to dominate. I mean, loss can be very psychological. It doesn't have to be a specific tangible loss.
Like money or volume or whatever. Mm-hmm.
So one of the keys is people who react to the feeling of being manipulated or the feeling of someone holding power over them. Mm-hmm. That's why the whole model, and I think we agree on this, of command and control in the process is very risky. There's a certain part where you have to use power and control, but you want to give the illusion that the other person has influence or power.
Is this a technique you use very often, what you did just with me? Like, can we agree on this?
Yeah. Do we agree on What is your view on that?
Okay. So do you summarize common interests during the negotiation
Absolutely.
process? Always.
Paraphrasing. So let me see if I understand where we're at on this. Okay. Or let me see if I understand. Now, here's a little technique. You make a mistake in the paraphrasing. So you change it just enough that it's wrong. You know it's wrong. And the person then, if they say automatically, yes, I agree, you know there's a problem because they're submitting and they're not really being honest. But they say, no, that's not correct. That's a positive. And the reason it's positive, they're being honest. And secondly, they're feeling power. Oh, I didn't fully understand that. What part did I miss? So closed questions sometimes are very important in the paraphrasing to get a clarification where you're at. So that a no, anytime you got a no, you know the person is exerting their power.